Hey guys, it's Camille. I'm sister number one, and today in my kitchen I'm gonna be making my mom's chicken salad recipe. So today's recipe is the chicken salad, and this recipe, my mom's been making it forever, and she makes it a little bit differently than any other recipe that I have ever tried, but I love it. And whenever I make it for friends or family, it always gets rave reviews. You're going to start with about 3 cups of cooked shredded chicken. You could also use a rotisserie chicken for this recipe. To that, you're going to add about 1 cup of slivered almonds, and then about 1.5 cups of grapes. Now, I cut mine in half just because they were pretty big grapes. Then I have 1 cup of celery that I've chopped up pretty small just because my kids will eat it when I cut it up a lot smaller. Now gently mix that all together and set it aside. We're going to make the dressing now for your chicken salad. So you're going to start with about 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Now for this recipe I actually used a light mayonnaise and it worked out great, but you can use whatever you want. To that, we're going to add about 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. Now you can see I'm using a light dressing here, but any ranch dressing will work. Just use your favorite. The next thing we're going to add is buttermilk. So if you've never bought buttermilk before, it's really great in recipes like this. I also like to use it a lot when I'm baking, but if you don't have buttermilk on hand, feel free to use just regular milk. And the last thing we're going to add is just a 1/2 packet of dry ranch dressing mix. This is really where a lot of the flavor of the chicken salad is going to come from, so you don't want to skip this ingredient. The last thing is just some dill weed. I aim for about 1/2 teaspoon, but you can do as much or as little as you want. So mix that all together. You want to make sure that you really work in all the dry stuff and get out all the lumps. And then just stir, stir, stir until it's nice and smooth. Once you get it all stirred together, you're going to gently put it on top of your chicken mixture. Get as much of it as you can because this is what's going to really make this chicken salad come alive. And mix it all together gently again. And there you have it, chicken salad done. Now it's done that quickly, and like I said, I use a rotisserie chicken, and that makes this recipe so easy to make. It's a perfect weeknight meal when you just need something quick and fast that your family will love. And that's all you have to do. Now I do like to keep this in the fridge for about an hour before we eat it, just to kind of let those flavors meld together. And then I serve it on either small sandwich rolls or hamburger buns. And
Lunch chicken salad. Mix lettuce leaves, add some chopped cherry tomatoes, some baby cucumber and some sliced carrot. Add 1/2 cup of mixed beans and lentils. Add a sliced chicken breast. If you fancy, add some pink slaw on the side, which you can buy from most supermarkets. Add the balsamic vinegar mix on top and enjoy.